Describe to me in great detail how this feels.
When it all started when I turned 3 years old. I mean, when I left the orphanage, I thought things were going to be better, but when they dropped me off at that fishmonger's porch, I just couldn't take it. Because I'm the Grinch, my heart is 3 sizes too big. Is it videoing?
Yeah. Jennifer is recapping her childhood for us.
I mean...
So what happened when you got dropped off at the fingermonger? The fishmonger?
Fishmongers?
The finger fucker.
I mean, I spent my days gutting fish in and out. But, you know, tiresome, tedious labor.
It's a good pillow.
Just sitting there with the fish entrails surrounding me.
So, did you, like, squish them and, like, that's what your toys were? It just fish entrails? And then what happened after that? Did an owl come and bring you something, and then you became Harry Potter?
I was actually about to say, my childhood, I lived under a cupboard.
I fed the owls the entrails because it would bring me little woodland mice to eat because it was either that or the fish entrails that I had just gutted.
Extreme close-up, wow.
The story's getting really interesting. I wonder what happened to them.
I'm the Grinch and my heart grew 3 sizes too big.
And it turned into giant boobs that are smushing her face.
Like, I'm like that lady on the Bounty Hunter show.
Oh wait, skirt in purse. Skirt is in purse. Skirt in purse.
Dadgummit.
So sexy. Okay, I'm turning this off.